Extends your truck bed for carrying longer payloads, designed to fit 2-inch hitch receivers. Adjustable length and width gives versatility for use in many different applications. Features 4 quick-release clevis pins for quick assembly and disassembly. Red flag and reflective tape on the product adds further visibility and safety. Side arms can be folded down, creating the supports for a portable work area. Our 70231 hitch mount truck bed extender effectively extends your truck bed for carrying longer payloads. Adjustable length and width allows for many different applications including ladders, racks, canoes, kayaks, long pipes, lumber and more. Constructed from heavy-duty steel with reflective tape on the front and sides for increased visibility and safety. The side arms can be folded down to create supports for a portable work area, and the 4 quick-release clevis pins allow for quick assembly and disassembly. This product is designed to fit 2-inch receivers and has a load capacity of 300 pounds. Length: 53-1/2 inches from center of the 1/2-inch hitch pin hole to the end of extension. Adjustable width from 28-1/4 inches to 48-3/4 inches. Adjustable height from 4 inches to 10 inches. Hitch pin sold separately. Top reviews from the United States. Great bed extender. I use this in construction when I need to haul long-length material. It is well made, well designed, easy to assemble. I keep it unassembled under the back seat of my truck until needed. I've used a couple different brands but feel this one is the best.